Well, Barbara, I see homeowners using the raised beds in their yard all the time now. I mean, what's the advantage of that?
The biggest advantage, Danny, is that a lot of us have yards with soil that is so bad, it's just so poor that it's almost too heartbreaking to try and work it. But if you go to this method, the raised bed, you can bring in beautiful soil, build it up, and just go off and plant anything you want to plant.
Now, can you just come in and form up an area like we have here and just set it right on top of any ground, or is there any prep work before you go to this point?
I think it's better if you can actually take a pickaxe or something and just scrape through your existing ground, just so that eventually those two different types of soil are going to blend together.
Okay, what about the height? Now, this one only has just a couple timbers, say 8 or 9 inches tall. Is there a ideal height for a raised bed?
Well, it depends on the type of plants you're going to grow. I would say you need a minimum of 6 inches. But if you can go with more, to 12, then you're going to be able to grow a wider variety of plants. And if you take it to 18 inches, then you can sit on the edge and just relax while you do your gardening.
So not so much stooping over as
Exactly.
pulling weeds and working the garden. So you're really developing quite an environment for the plants.
You are. I mean, it's such a great solution for when you've got a garden and your soil is just so rotten that you've given up any hope of being able to cultivate things. You do a raised bed and you can have beautiful plants.